Yes, we're starting. This is the number Dai Sankai, the third research trip to Miyagi-Dake at 7 o'clock in the morning. We are going to do the adventure route trip, shinkansen to Izumi in Kagoshima, and then a bus and a little waiting time at the city hall, and then another bus to the port, Shore Port, and we're going to take a ferry from Kagoshima to Amakusa and get picked up, and we'll do the tour. At that point, we'll tour 5 villages in Amakusa around Miyagi-Dake, and then we will tomorrow see the river and other activities around Miyagi-Dake. So we'll be back in touch. So this is leg number 2, route number 2 in Miyagi-Dake. Transportation investigation. We've gotten off the shinkansen at Izumi in Kagoshima. We are on the bus now, traveling to Nagashima. We're going to go to the city hall, and we have to wait there for an hour before we get the bus to the port, and then take a ferry over to Amakusa. So this is the status now, and this bus ride apparently is going to take about an hour. So we'll be back in touch, but it's not that expensive. It's only $10. The shinkansen from Kumamoto station was only $36, so it's really not that bad. And we'll see about the ferry ride and getting picked up at the port in Amakusa. We'll be back in touch soon. Now we're heading into Nagashima, where we're going to go to the city hall and wait for the bus to the port. Just checking in. We'll be back at you a little later. Kagoshima looks nice. Very rural, yeah. I bet it's nice in the summer. Oh, really? Oh, wow, okay. Well, we made it to Nagashima City Hall without a problem. It was a long ride, about an hour. And now we found out where to catch the bus to Shore Port, which leaves at about 10:28. So we'll be here until about 10:20, and we'll go to Shore Port and then take the ferry over to Amakusa. And now we're on the bus for Shore Port, which will probably take about a half an hour to get there. And so this is the third leg, one more leg to go. We're going to be picked up at Nakata in Amakusa at about 12 o'clock. So it's almost an hour ferry ride. Wow, this is long. I didn't realize it was so long, but it is a way to do it, I suppose. It's a scenic route to do it if you can't rent a car. And this is why we wanted to investigate it. So we are traveling again to Shore Port on Nagashima Island in Kagoshima. We should arrive there in about 20 minutes. Now we made it now to Shore Port. That's it right there, what you see behind me. That's about the size of it, the waiting room and ticket booth. Over there is the ferry docking port, where we're going to head over in about 15 minutes. That should take us about an hour to get there. Very small, but hey, this isn't the main one in Nagashima, actually. The main port is Kumamoto, which is further south. And if we look here, we want to go here. Here we are right now, right this area. We can also go from Kumamoto to Ushibuka, which is the main port, but we're right here. You are here, and we want to go to this harbor, so we can go here to the middle of Amakusa, Shimoshima Island. And this is what we're waiting for right now. Here comes the ferry into port. We're gonna watch it come in. It's a very small ferry, but it is a car ferry. So we could drive on it. I guess you can ride motorcycles then, hence too, which I might try one day. See, here's cars waiting to get on the ferry, so I guess it does what it needs to do. So it's gonna go in about 10 minutes, I guess. Here it comes. I'm just gonna move a little bit closer, just watch it dock on in here. Yeah, pretty cool, why not? It's like a 2-minute shot. There's the quite an interesting little ferry. Rosary, it says the Rosary line, I guess that says, yeah, Rosary line. I don't know if I should be here actually. Should probably move back because cars are gonna get off, so I'm gonna move back. Yeah, I guess that's the walking entrance is over there, I guess. Here come some cars coming off. There we go. Rosario line, or Rosario. This is the Rosario ferry, it says. Yeah. Rosario. Okay, one more truck and then I guess we can get on. We're gonna go give him the ticket in a minute. Slot machines on the ferry. Now we're on board the ferry, as you can see. We're going to take off and head to Nakata Port on Amakusa Island. Yeah, Amakusa Island. Should be taking off soon. I will take some video en route. Yeah, I can't believe there's slot machines on the ferry. That's weird. But no problemo. This is Shichijima. I think it's Shichijima where we're coming now, and this is not where we want to go quite yet. We make one stop and then we head over to Amakusa, Shimoshima, then Nakata Port. So this is not quite it. Watching these guys get everything set up to let these cars out. They've got it down to a science now, man. Passengers allowed off. Okay, that was fast. It was really fast. I just got in like a minute ago. Boom. Cool. One more stop. No. The next stop is our spot. Yes, okay, and that's straight ahead is Amakusa Shimoshima Island, which is where we're going to Nakata Port. I'm not sure exactly where it is. We'll find out shortly. But this is the destination, and we will be picked up there by some people from the Amakusa City Hall, who will then take us around to see what we want to do today. I'm not sure where the port is, but that's where we are heading. As you can see, it's quite beautiful. On a beautiful day, it's stunning. Of course, today the weather is a kind of a detriment. But we'll be able to do some things we need to do for research purposes, yeah. Okay, there's the port straight ahead. Nakata Port, where we're going to be met by the City Hall staff members and taken around. So, should be landing in the next 10 minutes or so. I gotcha. Now I see what it's all about. Oh yeah. Small port again, but hey. That's okay. Docking.